guys, it's Georgia from Priceline in West Brunswick. Today I'm going to be trying out some new blush and bronzer from L'Oreal. So this one here is Life's a Peach, which is a beautiful peach coloured blush. And the other one is Back to Bronze, which is a lovely matte bronzer that looks like it'll be really natural and easy to wear. So let's give them a try. So just starting with the bronzer, I'm going in with the Model's Prefer brush in MP14, which is a small powder brush. So I'm just going to pat it into the bronzer and just tap off any excess. So I like to do a bit of a fish face so I can find my cheekbone. And you can pinch the brush together as well if you're wanting a more chiseled effect. Just going all the way up to the hairline. Just going in with a bit more for the other side. And now I just like to sort of drag a little bit over my hairline in sort of a 3 motion and underneath my jawbone. I just find that this gives my face a bit of contouring and makes me look a little bit slimmer. I also like to carry the bronzer down onto my neck as well, just to blend it, because my neck's always so much more pale than my chest or my face. So just to make myself look really nice and uniform. This bronzer is so nice, it blends really easily. It's a great colour. I love the smell of makeup as well. I want to give it a smell test. It doesn't really smell, this one, it doesn't have a perfume in it, so it's just got sort of no smell. I'm now going to try the Life is a Peach blusher. So this is a gorgeous peachy colour. So I think that's a really nice colour. It would look quite flattering on my skin tones as well. This one smells like peaches, it smells beautiful. So I'm just going to be applying this on the apples of my cheeks. So to find the apples of your cheeks is you can just smile, and it's just a big area there. So applying it on the apple of the cheeks is the most natural way to apply a blusher. If you're wanting a more of a sculpted look, you can also apply it a little bit higher as well, like more like there. With today's look, I'm just going for something nice and natural. It's really nice pigmented, it smells beautiful. Really like this blusher. Another little tip that I like to do as well is I like to just apply a little bit on the tip of my nose as well. Just because when I'm flushed, naturally, I do get a little bit pink in the nose, so I always find when applying the blusher, it looks more natural if I do that. Alright, so these were the 2 products. So again, it's the Back to Bronze powder by L'Oreal and the Life's a Peach blush powder by L'Oreal. Both products are really, really lovely. Come in and try them.